Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Today we are going to cook Chinese steamed whole chicken, and I tell you what is the ingredients and what the stuffing inside the chicken. So stay tuned with me and I tell you whatever you need to know. This is our ingredients: a whole chicken, oil and salt, ginger and spring onion and garlic. Now let us clean our chicken. Okay, you need to clean it outside and inside, and if you can see, this is the fat. Okay, you need to remove this fat because it's not healthy. Okay, just remove all the excess fat. Okay, and then inside still have the blood clot. You need to remove that one also. Okay, just remove all the blood clot inside because that is not healthy. And then after that we are going to put and scrub it with salt. Okay, just scrub it and put some salt inside so that it have taste later. Okay, and then you are going to arrange the wings and the foot. Now we are just going to marinate that with salt, and then we are going to get ready all these things, and we are going to cut everything. So we need to prepare all the ingredients. We need to cut it. Okay, just cut all these things, and we are going to put this one inside the chicken, become the stuffing, and later we are going to make the sauce for the chicken, the dipping sauce. Okay, now all this ready, and just put it inside, just the stuffing. Okay, just put everything. Okay, just put all inside. Okay, thank you all guys for watching my video. To those who not yet subscribes, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell and like my video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you. Okay, I just arrange it like this, and we are going to put in a plate for steaming later. Okay, just arrange it, make sure it will not going to fall down or what anything. Yeah, now we are going to make the dipping sauce for the chicken. Okay, just the spring onion and cut it into mince. Okay, just cut it all. How many spring onion you like, it's up to you. And then our ginger, we need to cut it into mince, just very mince, because this one is going to be the dipping sauce of the chicken after we steam the chicken. Okay, just very mince. Thank you all guys for watching. Okay, now we already cut into mince our ginger and spring onion, and then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt so that have the taste, and if not enough then you can put a little more. Okay, and then later on we are going to put oil, this one later. Just mix it so that the salt will going to melt, and then we are going to marinate first our chicken. Okay, and then after that 2 hours later we are going to steam it. Now we are going to get ready the water from this wok, and we are going to make it hot and make it boil. Okay, now it's already boiling. We need to steam this chicken at least for 60 minutes. Okay, this is the time, and then cover it and wait until 60 minutes. Now we are going to make the sauce for the chicken. We just boil oil. Just make it hot, the oil. Make sure it's very hot. And then after that, put the right amount only for the spring onion and ginger. This is very nice and simple dipping sauce. Now it's already done, already consumed the 60 minutes. As you can see, the sauce, a lot of oil, the excess oil. Now we are going to remove it. Okay, and then as you can see, I already removed the water because that one is no use. And we are going to cut this one into a bite size. Be careful, you can use a chopping board and chopping knife if you wish. Okay, just cut it into a bite size. It depends to you what size do you want to cut it. Okay, this one is still hot, that's why I cannot hold too much. It's very hot because after immediately I cut it. Okay, as you can see, it's already well done. This is the stuffing inside. Just now you saw the stuffing, the garlic, onion, spring onion, ginger. Okay, just arrange it in a plate. Okay, this is a traditional Chinese steamed chicken. Thank you all guys for watching. This is ready to serve, ready to eat. Until my next video, see you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.